Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your private account and make it public on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your on these three lines here. Click settings and privacy. Click privacy, and here just click like this. Click switch, and here just like this, and it will be public. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.